I'm getting ready for Atlanta.
One more time for the boys in the back. Woo! Yeah. Yeah, baby! Welcome to Falcons Week, ladies and gentlemen. It's your boy, Mizzy Miz, Cool Cat Connor of the YouTube, representing the Birds! Woo! Yeah! Yeah! Week 1, baby! Week 1. The Philadelphia Eagles this Sunday gets to face the choke artist known as the Atlanta Falcons. Atlanta Falcons, Atlanta Falcons, Atlanta Falcons. The biggest choke artist in the game. Every single time y'all have a chance, y'all choked. You choked when you faced Tom Brady in the Super Bowl. You choked when you faced us twice in Philly. You choked when you faced the Dallas Cowboys. That stupid offside kick. You choked. Every every single time y'all try to win the division, you choke. And you're going to choke this season. And you're going to choke week 1. Because that's what y'all do. No one's scared of the Atlanta Falcons. Nobody. I told y'all Kyle Pitts going to learn what it's like to face a frat. No one's Cox. Brandon Graham. Derek Barnett, Josh Sweat. Ryan Killigan. Javon Hargrave, Alex Singleton, Anthony Harris, and Eric Wilson, Steven Nelson, Big Play Slay, Rodney McLeod, Avonte Maddox, and Matt Ryan is going to do what he always do. And that's after he gets sacked or get interceptions. Because that's what he does. And then your defense. Your defense. And before we get to the defense, let me say to all the Falcon fans, Julio Jones. Julio Jones isn't here to help you this time. He ain't here. That man is down in Tennessee. Tennessee. He wanted out. What? How in God's name do y'all let Julio Jones leave? Y'all choked on that too. And then your defense is going to choke too. They're going to choke. They're going to be scared. Because they got to deal with Jalen freaking Hurts. They got to deal with Devontae Smith, my God. They got to deal with Quez. They got to deal with Rager. They got to deal with Zach and Goddard. They got to deal with Miles Sanders. They got to deal with Kenny Gainwell and Buster. They got to deal with all them. And let's say your defense tried to cover Smitty, Rager. Let's say you cover Rager, Quez. Let's say you cover Quez, Smitty. Let's say you cover any of them. Zach Goddard. Let's say you cover any of them. Miles, Boston, Kenny Gainwell, Jalen freaking Hurts. Sure, we haven't really beat you guys in the dome the last couple of times we faced you guys, but that's going to change. Because every single time, whether it's going to a Super Bowl, whether it's facing the Eagles, whether it's facing the Cowboys, whether it's facing anybody in the NFC South, y'all choke. Y'all choke. You even choked in the draft. You even choked in the draft. You should have got yourself a quarterback because Matt Ryan's older, y'all. Should have got y'all a quarterback. But y'all chose Kyle Pitts, who's going to choke in the bright lights. In the bright lights. You got no Julio Jones. Kyle Shanahan ain't there to save you. Matt Ryan's old. He's going to get sacked multiple times. You don't got a defense that can stop us. I feel sorry for y'all. Y'all have no idea. I said it in my video on a post. Y'all have no idea what we're going to do because y'all ain't got tape. You ain't got tape on Nick Sirianni's offense. You ain't got tape in Devontae Smith. You got it when he was in college. You got tape on Jalen Hurts 5 games. But y'all ain't got tape on the Nick Sirianni offense. Y'all ain't got tape on the Jonathan Gannon defense. Y'all ain't got tape. And if anybody in the media thinks that the Atlanta Falcons is going to win this game, y'all just going to do what you always do. And that's choke. Because y'all the biggest choke artists in the game. The biggest! It is what it is, Falcons. The Philadelphia Eagles are going to get a dub. And you will be the first one. You will be the first one. You will be the first one to know what damn Murs is gonna do. You're the first one. You're the first one. Fly, Eagles, fly.